This video, I'm going to teach you the best HyperX Cloud tree settings for footsteps. This is for easy audio setup and sound test guide. So if you want to get the best settings for your HyperX, I have in here this opinion or this suggestion from this Reddit user that can help us with the setup. So what you can do is you can just tweak it. You can install NGenuity from the Microsoft Store and update your firmware. After that, restart your actual PC. Turn on the mic monitoring in NGenuity because they are amazing side tone. So we also have the DTS X in NGenuity that stays off, so you do not need any equalizer since they will be balanced. As you can see right here onto your actual headphones properties. Close NGenuity and install DTS Unbound from Microsoft Store. You can open DTS Unbound and turn on DTS Headphone X and DTS X. Go over to your system, sound, and open the headphone settings as you can see right here. Set the audio enhancement off and set spatial sound to DTS Headphone X. After that, you can proceed to restart your PC and enjoy your new setup. So do take note that this is for educational purposes only, and if you want this, just head over and follow the guides given right here into this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.